The looper. So the looper is specifically long on flare, and because S flare is the collateral, there's a special thing you can do. You can actually lock your S flare to mint size flare, sell that size flare for more S flare. So you basically leverage up to get more collateral, and then you deposit that to get more size flare, which you deposit, sell that to more S flare, and you just do that in a loop. And so what you will end up with is not that much size flare because you keep putting it back in the system, but you'll have all these receipts. And the receipts are basically say that you can buy size flare at any time to unlock the S flare that you've been looping around and depositing at those ratios. So if S flare is up 10x in the future, you've basically effectively gotten kind of like, I mean, you can correct me if I'm wrong, Dave. To me, it kind of sounds like you've set yourself up with a bunch of options to buy S flare cheaply, because size flare has a maximum price of $1. So it's not like size flare has a cap, S flare doesn't. So you could, even if size flare went all the way to $1, you've still got an option to buy back that could still be really profitable. So that's another strategy.
It's kind of like that. The only reason I don't like saying like, oh, it's a stable or it's an option or it's a this or it's a that is that like it has elements of many different things, and I feel like is analogizing a word, like over pegging it to a specific concept could have, like, it could just be confusing for one thing, and another is like it could have, like, if a regulator comes in and says like, oh, you're doing like options or something, it's like, no, we're not. But like the basic idea of like you're locking in you're like snapshotting something that you can take advantage of in the future. Yeah, like that's like a totally applicable concept, I'd say. Yeah.